What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. I'm going to ask you all to do me a huge favor. Take 5 seconds of your time. Go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. As you see, we got the Roush behind me. Hood's popped, trunks popped. That means we're doing something. We are installing a P&R Stage 4 ice tank. So that has the EMP pump. So right now we're in the process of mounting the tank. We are already removed the carpet, of course, and we removed the stuff in the spare tire, well, because that's where the tank goes. We're gonna drill the holes, get it mounted, and then start running the hose. The stock Roush pump does have to get deleted, so that's gonna make a little bit of a mess, so I'm not looking forward to that. And while we're here, we are going to change the valve out on the passenger side of the exhaust since it has failed. And the process begins. Nothing has to be cut, fortunately. Literally just took the air pump out, and we're gonna have to drill some holes like so. This gets mounted down, obviously. The ice goes in here. Just mount there, mount in the back. Pretty simple process. Overall, just time consuming. Big shout out to Aladdin for always coming through when he's needed. Working on my car a lot moving forward. Definitely appreciate his work. If you're in the Fresno area, definitely hit him up. He does great work with the platform. Alright guys, the tank is mounted in place. As you see, here's the drain. You just turn this and it's going to drain. Other than that, we are looking good. We're probably going to run the return line out the side, maybe over here. We're still trying to decide which side we're going to go, and then think about mounting the pump over here. Just not 100% sure on where we're going to mount the pump, and that's what's holding us up right now. So this is the old valve, and we got the new one. Thank you to Roush for sending that out under warranty. As far as the icebox install goes, doing pretty good. So we are in the process of draining the heat exchanger so we can start running our line. Everything else in the trunk is pretty much mounted. So we got the whole Roush setup out. Now we're in the process of running new lines. Got it ran all the way to the back. We got one more line to run to the intercooler, and yeah, then we're pretty much done. Look at this shit. I don't know what it is, but something melted all over my X pipe here, and it stinks when I'm driving. I just smell it burning. American racing headers. Still gotta get a billet oil plug. Got one on order. Alright guys, this process has taken a lot longer than what I thought. It's been a pain in the ass, but it's getting done, so that's all that matters in the end. It should be done within the next hour and a half. Then we have to figure out the electrical from there. Alright guys, so we have both hoses coming out of the same hole right here. Made it simple. I'm going to fill that with foam so we don't get any water in. Goes over the axles, then it comes around the gas tank here, and we're going to come all the way down. Then it comes over here, runs through, connects to the heat exchanger on the driver's side, into the intercooler, runs back around, and then the intercooler runs back to the tank for the return. Alright guys, several hours later, we figured out the electrical. Long story short, run a power wire to the battery,
Then I'm gonna connect it to this fuse box right here, inline fuse. And then this is the harness that comes with the pump. As you see, we're flowing. And for the meantime, we kind of have it ghetto rigged. We just got it tapped into a fuse rather than the toggle switch. Obviously, we're not going to use that fuse. That's just temporarily. It's not even really tapped right now. It's just kind of sitting on it just to make sure everything is working. So I can't wait to see how well this does with ice.
To be quite honest, I can't even test it tonight because, well, somebody, I'm not going to blame myself, of course, but I somehow deleted my N gauge. Somebody, not me. But, so I can't monitor anything. None of the monitors work. There's actually no data on it at all. So, I know it's working. I know it's cooling down the supercharger, of course, but how well is it doing? I don't know. I'll figure that out tomorrow and finish up all the wiring. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. We started this project around 12 trying to figure it out. It's our first time doing it, of course, so you know how it goes. Anyhow, we're purging the system right now. Gonna finish mounting the battery and stuff up front in just a few minutes here. We're just giving it a little bit of time to purge everything, and then we're gonna get on the road and get some sleep for the night. We're gonna finish this up tomorrow, and then in a separate video, we're gonna be doing a testing video, so stay tuned for that. That's probably gonna be the next video from this one. And just like that, it is day 2 here at Aletta Motorsports. He has a F550 up on the lift right now. He's doing a header install. We just popped by to finish up the wiring. Should be pretty quick. We finished up at like 3 o'clock yesterday morning, or this morning I should say. And yeah, we just need to finish cleaning up the wiring. Literally, we just got it to where I could drive it home last night. So all the panels are still off, the back seat's still out. So we're just gonna mount down a few things, fix up the wiring, and that should be it for today. And we'll be back here real soon to get some major installs done. All right, so everything is done with the car. It is running amazing. Let's take a look at the trunk setup. So pretty simple. The carpet sits pretty good. Let's move this out of the way. I'll show you guys when there's more light, but anyhow, all the wiring's tucked and ran under the carpet, so we don't really have to worry about that being exposed. The carpet sits on right. As far as power, well, ground, we grounded. There's a factory ground right back here, so that's where we grounded. Let me bring it to the engine bay. So in the fuse box, we just did an add a fuse, ran the purple wire that came with the kit directly to us. To this, obviously we had to extend the wire. That's why you see this white wire. And then this white wire was connected to the red wire, which is connected to the fuse, the infuse circuit, which is directly powered to the battery. So what the battery, or what the fuse does is as soon as it detects ignition, it turns on. So I'm not gonna start the car. I'm just gonna put it into accessories mode, and you'll hear it turn on a few seconds later. Pretty sure you can pick that up. All right, just so you understand, I'm gonna start the car right now, and that should turn the pump on. There it goes. I just put ice in the tank. I'm just gonna start pumping it through, and you'll see it flowing here in just a second. So it pumps out through this, goes out to the heat exchanger, through the heat exchanger to the intercooler, from the intercooler back through here and back to the tank. Pretty simple setup. Don't mind the wiring, that all has to get cleaned up. Alright guys, with that being said, that is going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys got a lot of information that was needed from this video. Like I said, I'm going to create a second video regarding this ice tank install. Pretty much a review of it. I can't do that in this video. Like I said, I corrupted my end gauge somehow, so I still have to figure that out. I've contacted Palm Beach Dyno and Wengert Performance. I'm tuned by both of them. Currently running the Wengert Performance tune. Anyhow, hopefully we could get that sorted out fairly quickly. With that being said, that is going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what kind of content you'd like to see in the future. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.